Hey Lucy, good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I had a calm and quiet morning. How about you?
I'm okay. I woke up a little late. I stayed up last night watching videos.
Oh, really? What kind of videos?
Mostly English lessons and some funny ones too. I love learning while having fun.
That's a smart way to learn. I also watch videos to relax. I like cooking videos.
Nice. Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I enjoy it. It helps me relax.
I want to learn how to cook better. I usually make simple things.
I can share some easy recipes with you. We can cook together one day.
I'd love that. I need to eat more homemade food.
So, what did you eat for breakfast today?
Just toast and butter. I didn't have time for more.
I had oatmeal with fruit and some tea. I try to eat something warm in the morning.
That sounds healthy. I want to eat better too.
Step by step, even small changes help.
True. What are your plans for today?
I want to clean the house, do laundry, and maybe go to the store.
I also need to clean. My room is a mess, and I have to buy some things too.
What do you need to buy?
Just some groceries, vegetables, fruit, and rice.
Same here. I also need shampoo and toothpaste.
Maybe we can go together?
Sure, we can go in the afternoon.
Perfect. Do you usually do your shopping on weekdays?
Yes, because the stores are less busy. On weekends, there are too many people.
I agree. Weekends are too crowded.
So, how's work going for you?
It's okay. A little boring this week, not much to do.
Sometimes that's nice. You can rest your mind a bit.
Yes, but I also like to stay busy. I feel more productive.
I understand. I like having balance. Not too busy, not too slow.
Do you work from home every day?
Yes, Monday to Friday. I like it, but sometimes I miss being around people.
Same here. Working from home is good, but it can feel lonely sometimes.
That's why I like our chats. It makes the day better.
Me too. You always make me smile.
Aw, thanks. So, what are your plans for the weekend?
Not sure yet. I might visit my parents on Sunday.
That sounds nice. Do they live far from you?
Not too far, just 30 minutes by car.
That's good. I haven't seen my family in 2 weeks. I miss them.
Maybe you can visit them this weekend.
Yes, I'm thinking about it. I'll call my mom later.
Do you usually talk to your mom every day?
Almost. We send messages and sometimes voice notes.
That's sweet. I talk to my mom on the phone every weekend.
Moms are the best, right?
Absolutely.
So tell me, what do you do to relax after work?
I like to listen to music, sometimes read a book or take a walk.
That's nice. I love taking walks in the evening. The fresh air helps me sleep better.
Yes, I also sleep better after walking.
Do you sleep early?
I try to. I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11.
Me too. If I sleep late, I feel tired all day.
Same here. Sleep is very important.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
I watched a romantic comedy last night. It was funny and sweet.
I love romantic comedies. What was the name?
It's called Love at First Sight. You should watch it.
I will. Maybe this weekend with some popcorn.
Perfect plan.
Hey, do you want to try something new together?
Like what?
Maybe take a dance class or join a book club.
I've never done that, but it sounds fun.
Let's think about it and look online for something near us.
Great idea. It's good to try new things.
Life is more fun when we grow and learn together.
Totally agree. And it's better with a friend.
Always better with a friend.
Okay, I should go do my laundry now before I forget again.
Same here. I'll tidy up and then get ready to go shopping.
Text me when you're ready and I'll meet you.
Perfect. Talk to you soon.
Bye, Anna.
Bye, Lucy.